Just yell really loud when you're rolling. Okay, you're rolling, all right. Actually, wait, that won't be here yet because we're moving. Let's cut that part out. All right, guys, it is moving day. So if you didn't know already, I have recently become a homeowner and now we are moving everything into this house. So I got New England Crypto here today to help me out. We're gonna get all the stuff out of this truck. Thank you so much for coming up here, by the way.
No problem, Shinji.
And we're gonna start getting things moved into the house. All right, let's get the first load.
All right.
What's this contraption? Do I just open right here?
Yep, pull on there, reach in here.
All right, so I'll get a picture because I'm weak.
I'll carry this box for you.
Yep. All right. Get this door propped open. Okay. Close the door to keep the cooling. All right. All right, New England, we're gonna put this into the kids' room. All right, just put it right there on top of that box. Right there, yeah. Should be fine. Got the Kill Bill over here. All right. Wow, we just moved a whole ton of stuff. It's a lot of stuff. Oh man. This is a lot of work. Thank you so much for coming up here,
buddy.
So we just gotta get a few more things and we'll be all set. And we'll do the tour of the house. We got some Ethernet cable on the ground. But so this is the kitchen. As you can see, this place was really messy, but I cleaned it up real good. These cabinets are all nice and white now. They weren't white when they were not white when we first got here. Let's go into the living room real quick. So me and Matt just like basically moved everything. So this is pretty much the way it is now. We got a nice carpet, sofa, got the television, all that good stuff. And this is where the magic happens, folks. This is gonna be the new studio room. We got all of our lights in here, some of our main equipment, got some C-stands and other equipment like that. This is going to be the brand new TekShinji 2.0 studio. Complete with air conditioning, which is important, especially right now, and complete with all the necessary lighting we need. With these windows and stuff, we're probably gonna block some of it off. Probably gonna put some sound deadening because there's a bit of an echo in here. It's not too bad, but there's a bit of an echo. And we'll probably try to get a carpet or something like that to deaden it on the floor. We already put the carpet in the living room, so we're probably not gonna do that. Let's head on to the basement. Ignore this really thick cable right here. That is my temporary electric vehicle charger. So now we're in the basement. Right here, we got a nice Federal Pacific stable lock fire panel. I'm sorry, I meant it's a breaker panel, not a fire panel. As in it could start a fire. These things aren't known for tripping when they're supposed to. So we got nothing about that. Don't worry about that. Just don't look at that, it's bad. Cast iron for plumbing. This is an older house, so there's a lot of like support stuff to keep up the floor because it's sagged over the years. It's 1903 vintage. We come over here. This I'm probably gonna get rid of. This is an oil-fired boiler with a giant oil tank. I eventually want to get rid of this completely and make this whole house electric with heat pumps and such. So that's in the process. That's a plan to do. It's not going to be easy and it's going to be expensive, but I plan on doing those heat pumps myself. The electrical and all that, I might get an electrician to wire everything. We're going to put the heat pump units out there and put all the internal head units throughout the house. So there's that. And that's it for the basement. So let's go upstairs to the second floor.
This is where the fun happens?
This is where some of the fun happens. All right, so we'll start with the master bedroom. So this echoey room is the master bedroom. It's the most level, flat room in the house. Right now it's just temporary overflow storage. But the previous owner that lived here, I didn't do this, guys, okay? I know it's me, but they actually painted around all the furniture that was already in here. So this is
so interesting.
I know, like there was a bed here, there was like a bureau over there. This is just around all the furniture that was already in here. Because he wanted the walls to be not white. I mean, like, you look at the edges of the ceiling. He didn't even hit the edges of the ceiling. It's, I don't know. Hey, I'm not gonna complain. It's a good house. And now we're gonna go into this room. This room is gonna be storage for all of our electronics, water cooling components, AI rendering systems, and tools, and it's gonna be my office, so to speak. So as you can see, we got our 420 millimeter radiator with a water cooling thing. This is like a test bench for water cooling. Got a nice mower right here, and we got a couple of other mowers right here. Make sure you get subscribed because we're gonna have some nice videos on this. It's coming soon, guys. And one of those radiators are actually one you can't get, so definitely get subscribed to see that video. Got more stuff here. We got some sponsored mouse mats that nobody wants for some reason. Got some EVGA power supplies. Nothing too big, right, Matt? Let's go up to the second floor. Third floor.
What a nice space, though.
Yeah, watch for the floor, by the way. Some of these floorboards are kind of sus. So this, guys, is the attic. This is the third floor, quote unquote. Right now it's uninsulated and unfinished, but look at this ginormous space. This one day will be the studio. And sorry, he was about to fall through the floor and kind of freaked me out. This one day will be the studio, the new studio. We're gonna take this chimney out, insulate it, put a heat pump in here, make those windows higher because they're not to code right now, they're too low. We'll probably make one big one right in the middle there, same thing on the other side. And this will become the new studio. We've got this nice vaulted ceiling, plenty of space. We can make like 2 to 3 sets in here and it'll be really nice. A lot of future projects planned, but that's the tour of the inside of the house. We're not gonna really show the outside yet because it's not really that great. It's a fixer-upper, guys. What can I say? By the way, guys, this is it's not the first one, but I did buy this house with cryptocurrency. I found a broker that was willing to actually accept cryptocurrency for this house. So that is how I got here, guys. I bought this house with Ethereum. Pretty cool, right? It's good to sit down.
Absolutely, man. It's a hot one.
It was really hot. It's like what, 95 degrees out there?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, well, guys, that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching this video, and I think we forgot something. We gotta put that one thing on in the garage.
Oh man, all right.
We left it out there.
Let's take care of it.
Let's go take care of it. Okay, so we got this and this. Yeah, just leave it right there and I'll take care of it later.
Awesome.
And I'll just put this right here. Is that it? Is that the last of it?
Yeah, I think we're all good now.
Okay, all right. Guys, well, that's it. We just moved everything into TekShinji Studio 2.0. Thanks so much to Matt for coming over and helping me, and thank you so much to Andrew, my cameraman that's holding the camera right now. Guys, this has been a great journey. We're finally in my own house, ready to get the studio set up. If you like this video, make sure you get subscribed and hit that like button. And if you didn't like it, well, try watching it back at half speed. You might catch something you missed. Well, see you in the next one. Bye. Our heat pump water heater, this will be installed soon. So that's there. Actually, wait, that won't be here yet because we're moving. Let's cut that part out.
This is where the fun happens?
This is where some of the fun happens. There's no procreation going on right now, so no fun. Ha 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 ha. You might be wondering, Shinji, I saw a third floor. What you did. Let's go check it out.
Where did they see a third floor?
From the outside.
Oh, can you show me the outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did we show the outside? No, we're not showing the outside.